Yes, so let's use the values that we calculated in Excel. So part A says to complete the calculation of product moment and state the strength. So for part E, we can type the product moment correlation is equal to, let's see what we got. We got 0.77, 0.771, which is strong positive because it's above 0.5 and it's a positive number. So we have stated the strength, all right, and also the direction, positive. Calculate and interpret the coefficient of determination. We got the coefficient of determination, R squared to 0.59. Okay, so the coefficient of determination is 0.59. Okay, two decimal places suffice. Therefore, 59% variation in score is due to hours of study. Okay, let's see. Use the results in part A to determine the gradient and the y-intercept. We got the gradient to be 1.72 and the y-intercept to be 42.4. Okay, so we can just type that, the gradient and the y-intercept are 1.72 and 42.7. 1.72 and 42.7 respectively. Okay. D. This is to write the equation from S is equal to MH plus C. So the equation okay. Bear in mind, S and H are the variables, so they must be there. S for score is equal to the gradient, we call it to be 1.72 times the hours, H for hours. Okay, well, the notes use lowercase, so we can use lowercase. All right, plus C. So C now we got C to be 32.7. So the equation must have the variables S and H in it. And we know the value of M, we know the value of C, so we substitute it, and then we have completed the written form of our equation. Okay. Part E. Part E says, use the equation to estimate the score for 15 hours of study. All right. So if H is equal to 15, okay, then so we can solve for S, okay, and copy this formula. All right, and we're going to substitute 15 in the place of H. That's what's going to happen. So where we see H, open close bracket, we put 15, and then that will give us an estimate of S for an H of 15. So we go to our calculator and we type 1.72 multiplied to 15 plus 32.7. So that gives us 58.5. All right, 58.5. Okay, so the score therefore the score for 15 hours study is approximately 58.5%. Okay, and part F now. Part F is asking us to do what? Use the equation to estimate the hours for a score of 95. So if S is equal to 95, that's score. S for score. F is equal to 95. Then what we do, we're going to use that very same equation again. However, here now we're going to substitute 95 in the place of S because it's S, and we're going to try to solve for hours now because S we were provided with. So to solve for hours, we need to subtract 32.7 on both sides. So the plus turns to a minus to cancel out 32.7 from the right side. So we have 95 subtract 32.7. 95 subtract 32.7 is 62.3. And now we're going to divide 62.3 now to solve for each. So we have 62.3 divided by 1.72. And that will give us an estimate for the hours that you must study if you want a score of 95. So here we type 62.3 divided by 1.72. And we have to study for about 36.22 hours. Okay. So therefore, the score of 95% must study 6.22.